Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with Vichel and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing Origami Toy Fan Model. So without further delay, let's begin. For this toy fan model, we'll need a square piece of paper. So this is the first part of it, where we'll need such two square pieces of paper, and then we'll just cut it into two halves. So in all we'll get 4 rectangles. So this is the top portion of the toy fan, and for the bottom portion we'll need some green rectangular sheets of paper. So let's come to the bottom portion later. So let's first start with the top portion. So you will have 4 such rectangular sheets, and then all we need to do is to make an equilateral or an equal zigzag pattern. Basically just fold it from the center like this. So you'll have 2 here. Fold this on this direction, fold this in this direction. Now pick this one flap, then fold it like this, and this one flap you have, then you can fold it like this. So this width is enough for our toy fan. So basically all we need to do is make a zigzag pattern. So just fold this back like this, and then make a fold in between of these 2 creases. So basically if you see it, this forms like this zigzag. So this entire thing needs to be done in the same way. So let me complete this and I'll show you the final model. Or let's make this. So if you get confused somewhere, so do let me know in the comment section. So here, fold it like this, and then again make a fold like this. So as you can see, you have a bigger zigzag here. Now we'll fold it again, or let's fold it like this so that we get a crease at least. And then from this side, let's fold it like this. We have a crease formed for this. So as you can see, there are creases formed. It's not in zigzag pattern, but the creases are formed. So later we can fold according to the pattern from the start. So just make sure you get the creases in first place. So this, we are left with this. So let's fold it like this. Fold it properly edge to edge, otherwise the crease formed won't be of uniform shape, or equal size creases won't be there. Like this. So are we left with anything? Yeah, this one I guess. Yeah, so we have all the creases now. So let's do it one by one like this. With the creases you can easily fold it, one above, one on this side, and one on the back side like this. Press it properly. So this is the final crisscross pattern, as a zigzag pattern, as I was mentioning, one up, one down. So similarly we need to make 4 such zigzag patterns. So let me make all those 4, and I'll be back showing you all the 4. Guys, here we have all the 4 zigzags made. Now all we need to do is just stick all these 4 like this. So you apply glue over here. Let me get the glue. apply it properly. And then stick this one portion stick this one portion properly like this. This is how you stick it. So stick all the 4 zigzag patterns and I'll be back. So guys, here I sticked all the 4 patterns. So this is the top portion of the fan. This is how it forms, as you can see. So now what we need to do is take this entire zigzag portion properly, and we need to roll or glue this portion here. This portion, let me just focus it. Yeah, need to roll like this. Basically apply a glue on this portion here, approx a centimeter thick portion, and then need to stick it like this. Stick and roll the entire thing, and then you can apply glue at the end over here. So let me complete this and I'll show you the final thing. So guys, this is how it looks. As you can see, the entire thing, I've rolled it over and it got stuck over here with the glue. Now you will need 2 more rectangular pieces like this. These are of same size as of these fan length, the zigzag pattern which we started earlier. So all you need to do is take this in this fashion and then roll it. Don't stick it, just roll it, so that you see or you understand how much thickness is needed before sticking. So if this is it, then see, this can be easily swiped or do that movement like that. So all we need to do is now taking this much of width, we can just ignore this. Now next we'll need a thread. Basically a thick thread or a combination like this, and we'll cut this thread for approx, I think 30 centimeters should be fine, or 30 to 45 centimeters should be fine, because anyway we'll discard the remaining ones. So let me just cut it. So I've cut the string into 2 equal length like this. So here what we need to do is you apply some glue, put the string actually in this section and glue it like this. It will be better if you glue it from this point probably. Just apply it and then glue it on both the sides. So let me do that and I'll be back. So guys, here we are back. So as you can see, I have sticked this thread in this portion, one here and one here. So next what we need to do is we need to stick this thread to this portion. So let me put this back, put it till the edge like this, and then this thread we need to stick it at this place. So basically at this point, and let me just cut this extra string. So from here exactly at this point, don't need that extra string. Also from here. So the length actually we took is a lot larger, but we don't need that much, just for safety. Yeah. So now all we need to do is stick this properly, stick this entire thread here like this, and here also like this, and then after this, after sticking these 2 threads like this, we'll need the third one. So after sticking these threads like this properly, all we need to do is just cover it up with this. So just have a coating like this of the entire circle properly sticked, so that this threads are not visible anymore. So let me complete that and I'll show you the final one. Guys, this is how it looks. As I told you, I'll wrap it over, and this is the final fan model. All you need to do is just pull it like this. Oops, I think it got towed over here, but then if you have it properly, then the fan comes exactly like this. This is not the best model which we could make, but then this is how it looks. I hope you got an idea of final toy fan model, how it looks like, and yeah, it works. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.